How long does it take to learn to drive? This really is like asking, how long is a piece of string? I'm going to start by saying, let's give you the official figures. The DVSA, the people that conduct the tests, their research states that on average you will need around 45 hours with a professional instructor and a further 25 hours of private practice with a friend or family member. I'll be brutally honest with you, I have many clients who have passed with the average number of hours, but I've also had some fail because they needed more lessons, a lot more. But I've also had clients pass with far fewer lessons than the 45 hours stated. Why is that? Well, everybody's different. Everybody learns in different ways. If, when you're looking for an instructor, one of them guarantees that you'll pass within X number of hours, get it in writing and hold them to it. Learning to drive, it's not like a school or college course where you start in September, do your exam, test in June or July. There's so many different factors to understand. Let's start with this one. How quick do you learn? If we have to repeat lessons, then it's going to take a little longer. What if you miss lessons? If you miss a lesson or two, especially if they're consecutive, could set you back more than just a couple of weeks. And then we have to recap a few lessons to help you remember. Hopefully, this is where driving lessons online comes into its own, and you can get some quick revision here without wasting too much of your lesson time in the car. There is a saying that nobody has ever passed the driving test because they had too many lessons. But what I can tell you is there's many that fail because they didn't have enough. Passing your driving test is one of those memorable days in your life. It's a little bit like a wedding day because I can still remember mine. Unfortunately, I also still remember the one that I failed. You should only take your driving test when you feel confident with your driving and you can drive in any given situation. If, for example, your instructor is still guiding or is advising you on the lessons before you test, then unfortunately you're probably not ready. Or do you want a lucky pass and then you find yourself in a situation that you can't cope with without that comfort blanket of your instructor helping you out of the situation? Now, there's lots of rumours and people say that driving instructors, they drag their lessons out to make more money. Well, I don't know any of these. And if you are driving around and your instructor isn't helping you, then ask them, why are you not test ready? Why have you not booked your test yet? However, if they're still helping you, then you require more lessons. I hope that's answered the question for you of how long does it take to learn to drive.